Imagine a world where robots are a part of our daily lives, not just building cars or doing chores, but protecting our homes and keeping us connected with our loved ones. At Avina, we've made this a reality. This is Air, the flying robot for the home. By hiding its propulsion system inside its body, we created Air specifically to work indoors and around people. With its sleek shape and fabric exterior, it fits perfectly in your home. We've made it safe enough to be around your kids, yet quiet enough not to bother you. Air is safe and easy for anyone to fly. Its many cameras and advanced computer vision let it navigate anywhere in your home. Using the app interface, simply give it a general direction and it will automatically avoid any obstacles in its way. With its cloud connectivity, you can virtually visit your home from anywhere in the world. Air can take immersive 360-degree photos showing you every detail of the room it's in. Air can stream live video, and with the ability to fly anywhere, Air lets you actively join in on family moments like never before. And with its video recording capability, you can relive those moments anytime. Air doesn't just live in your smart home, it elevates it. With Alexa integration, Air follows your voice commands. Hey Alexa, tell Air to take a photo and post it to Facebook.
3, 2, 1, say cheese.
Air can protect your home without compromising your privacy. While your existing products only notify you that something has happened, Air lets you see exactly what's going on with no more blind spots. It gives you the ability to be there anytime, anywhere. Air is the missing link for your smart home. So whether you're checking in on your loved ones or just your house, Air is there every step of the way. Just imagine everything Air will be able to do for you. Imagine a future with Air today.
Cafe-style espresso everywhere you go. Introducing the Leverpresso. Leverpresso is a portable espresso maker. It produces up to 9 bars of pressure without using electricity. With minimal force, pressure is evenly distributed, allowing you to get consistent, flavorful espresso every time. You can make espresso in your home, office, or anywhere. All you need is hot water, coffee, and 3 minutes. The Leverpresso makes 2 shots of espresso for on the go or in your own cup. Use these shots to make your favorite coffee drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. The Leverpresso lets you control the brewing process, so you can extract the full flavor from your coffee beans. Enjoy coffee the way you want to. No lines, no baristas, just good coffee. Leverpresso, the perfect portable espresso maker. Enjoy real espresso made with 9-bar pressure everywhere.
Every 11 minutes, a fall victim is treated in the ER. Every 19 minutes, one of them dies. 2.8 million injuries, 800,000 hospitalizations, 27,000 deaths, at a cost of over $45 billion last year alone. Falling is the #1 cause of death over 65. This breakthrough device, VitalBand from Sensogram Technologies, accurately detects falls and then automatically calls and texts critical contacts and caregivers so help arrives quickly. Program any number you want called and add as many text recipients as your data plan allows. VitalBand alerts them all automatically, instantly. And if the wearer ever feels ill or in danger, they can simply press and hold the SOS panic button to place the same call and text for help. VitalBand also accurately monitors critical vital signs like heart rate and respiration rate, while it tracks activity, step count, calories burned, as well as letting you set medication reminders, scheduling, and alerts. And data is easily shared with family, caregivers, or physicians with permission through a simple wireless connection. Plus, VitalBand is so versatile, it's also a high-functioning sports watch as well, protecting its wearers from falls, especially when they're alone, as well as providing those essential vital signs, heart rate and respiration rate, to gauge true performance. And in potentially dangerous situations, the SOS panic button feature on VitalBand offers one-touch emergency call-out and automatic text whenever the wearer feels ill or threatened. Powered by Intel, VitalBand is reliable, durable, comfortable, fully waterproof, and easy to charge even while wearing with its simple magnetic on-wrist charger. No other device provides such complete, comprehensive, real-time capabilities that can help keep wearers safe and secure no matter where, no matter when they fall or need assistance. VitalBand from Sensogram Technologies. When you fall, it calls automatically.
The last couple of years has really been about us just becoming obsessed with understanding where time tracking and recording fits within the overall space of someone's workday.
What we wanted to do with Tiller was make time tracking much more accessible and immediate.
To make time tracking a better experience than all of the software-based products before it.
We really sat down and said, if we were going to start this from scratch and really look at this problem from first principles, would you come up with an app or a plug-in to solve this, or is there something else that would make this actually a better experience for people?
So our idea was, what if we combined a more tactile hardware solution with software?
Tiller is a small USB-powered device. It recognizes when someone's touching it, and inside it is a bearing that turns, allowing you to turn the dial and switch between tasks or clients. It has a light in the center of it which indicates to you whether you're tracking or not tracking your time.
So we found that the fact that it's a physical object means that when you're engaging with it, it brings a sort of a mindfulness and a deliberateness to the work you're doing.
A lot of our process involves users getting to test the prototype or use the prototype versions that we have, and that feeds into the process of design and development. A lot of our early work was fast prototyping versions of the software and hardware to get everything right and to where it is today.
We're really getting into the nitty-gritty of interaction design. When you touch this thing, how does the interface appear on the computer? When you turn it, what happens? Is it as fast as it need to be, and is it too intrusive or is it too hidden? And these are really small things that we've had to tweak over and over again.
Even though Till is designed to work as a standalone product, people are already using lots of different time tracking solutions in their businesses. So Tiller integrates directly with a lot of the tools that freelancers and small businesses are accustomed to using. Things like Harvest and Xero.
Technology, when it's done right, should allow you to do more of the things that you care about and are interested in, and spend less time on the things that don't really excite you that much.
We've developed this thing for the last couple of years, and it'd be really pleasing to see this thing roll out to teams and individuals and really positively affect their work.
We're just really excited to share Tiller with the whole community.
In a perfect world, every special occasion would be spent with that special someone.
Happy anniversary, babe. They're beautiful. I miss you so much. I wish we could be together.
But we know life gets busy, and fitting in time together gets hard.
Open it.
Now we've made it possible for you and your loved one to come together.
Oh, it's perfect.
Try it on.
Right now?
Yes.
Introducing the Fleshlight Launchpad for your tablet.